Yo, what is going on, guys? This video today is going to be showing you how to get all cars in Forza Horizon 6. Now, I have been playing this game since release and I've managed to find a really easy method to unlock each and every car for free in Forza Horizon 6, and this actually uses a working redeem code, guys, so you can get all of these cars for free. And guys, this is a simple code you can redeem in the Xbox store or in the Steam store, and it is going to add all cars to your account. This is a secret redeem code, and yeah, I'm going to show you how to get it. Before I show you this method, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's not waste any more time. You're going to need to use your mobile phone internet browser just to obtain your Forza Horizon 6 car code. Go to www.crashcoupons.com. so spell it exactly like this, Crash Coupons. And if you spell it correctly, it's going to bring you to this website. Now, you need to search for Forza Horizon 6. So there are hundreds of pages, so I do just recommend using the search bar. They have Forza Horizon 5. We're obviously interested in 6. So on this page, there's a few codes, and already these have been used thousands of times, which is impressive considering this game is new release. So scroll down until you find this code: unlock all cars in Forza Horizon 6. So this is going to basically save you a ton of time and of course a ton of money. And it only takes a few minutes. I will caution, hopefully this doesn't ruin the game for you, because you know what it's like when you use codes like this. It pretty much makes the game pointless to play. So yeah, you can use this, but just be careful, guys. Make sure you actually play the game before. So as you can see, these are limited codes, so you need to unlock your personal Forza Horizon 6 unlock all car code, because the code is hidden and this stops people taking more than one of these codes. So click on get full code and you're going to be brought to this page here that basically gives you a set of instructions. You need to complete 2 of the free app or survey offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. Follow the unlock instructions below each app. So you're going to have a list of tasks on this page that are basically mobile applications, free surveys, mobile games. Very important you follow the instructions, because that basically just tells you what you need to do to complete the task. So complete 2 of them and it will then send you back to Crash Coupons. I did this earlier, so I won't do it again, but your full code will be revealed. So your Forza Horizon 6 unlock all the cars code will be shown, and then you can redeem it in the Microsoft store or in the Steam store, depending where you play. And that is going to unlock all cars on your account. So that is it. Go to Crash Coupons. Any questions, let me know, guys. But yeah, it's super simple. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.